Hey everyone! I'm Ruhul Amin. Welcome back to my channel, Raminmark, where I bring you in-depth reviews of the best grooming gadgets for men. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about beard trimmers on the market, the RENPHO Cordless Hair Clippers for men. Let's break down the features, performance, and why this could be your next grooming essential. First things first, the build quality. RENPHO didn't cut corners here. You're getting a durable stainless steel T-blade that cuts down to 0.15 millimeters. That's professional barber-level precision. And the ergonomic design? Feels like it was made for your hand. Let's talk power. With 4 adjustable speeds, 5,500, 6,000, 6,500, and 7,000 RPM, this clipper adapts to your hair thickness and style. Whether you're lining up your beard, trimming your neckline, or cutting through dense hair, this motor doesn't flinch. This is where RENPHO shines, 270 minutes of cordless runtime on one charge. That's nearly 5 full trims. Plus, it supports 100-240V, so it's the perfect grooming companion for travelers. Just toss it in your bag and you're ready to go, no matter where in the world you are. No more guessing games. The smart LED display tells you everything: speed level, battery life, and when it's time to charge. It's sleek, simple, and super useful. Worried about noise? Don't be. At just 50 dB, this thing is whisper quiet. It's ideal for late-night touch-ups or trimming without waking the house. It comes loaded with 6 guide combs from 1mm to 12mm, giving you full control over your look. And when you're done, pack everything into the included storage bag. Clean, simple, and organized. Whether you're a pro barber or just want to stay sharp at home, the RENPHO Cordless Hair Clippers check all the boxes. Precision? Power? Portability? This is grooming done right. That's it for today, gents. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome product breakdowns, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions about the RENPHO trimmer? Drop them in the comments. I'll be answering every one. Until next time, stay sharp and stay confident.